Hello friends, welcome to Dreamweaver Crocheting with Love. In today's tutorial, I am going to teach you how to crochet this baby beanie. This beanie I have done for a 3 to 6 month old baby, and the pattern stitch that I have used is Fleck Stitch. Now this beanie can be done in 3 simple steps. The first step is to work the flat circle. The second step is to work the pattern stitch, and the third step will be working this front post and back post double crochet stitches in order to give stretchability to our beanie. So let's see what all materials are needed in order to work this beanie. I've taken this 4mm crochet hook. These are the two colors that I'll be using. One is off-white and the other one is a light orange color. Now off-white would be my main color, and to work with the pattern stitch as well as the front post and back post stitches, I'll be using this light orange colored yarn. So let's begin. Now as you can see, I have already worked the flat circle. In our channel, there is already a tutorial for how to work a flat circle. So depending upon for what age of the baby you are making this beanie, you can work the flat circle accordingly, and then you can continue with this tutorial. Now for this flat circle, I have worked in total 5 rows. So by end of 5 rows, I have about 60 double crochets. Now for the 6th row, work 1 chain. And the sequence is very simple, that is, we'll be working 1 double crochet per stitch. Since we are not working any increases, the number of double crochets remains the same, that is 60. So just continue with this sequence till the end of the round. I have almost come to the end of the 6th round. Now before slip stitching, I'll be changing colors. So going to the top of the first double crochet work, I'll be inserting this new colored yarn. Work 1 chain and turn your work. Now we'll be working on the inside part of our beanie. Now going to the next stitch, work 1 single crochet. So here I've done 1 single crochet. Now work 1 chain, skip the next stitch and work 1 single crochet into the next, followed by 1 chain. Again skip the next stitch and work 1 single crochet into the next and work 1 chain. So the sequence of this round is to work 1 single crochet followed by 1 chain, skip the next stitch and work a single crochet into the next, followed by 1 chain. So just continue with this pattern till the end of the round. So here I almost come to the end of the 7th round. Into the second last stitch, I have worked 1 single crochet followed by 1 chain. I'll be skipping this last stitch and working 1 slip stitch on top of the first single crochet worked. But while working a slip stitch, I'll be changing colors. You need not cut the yarn because we'll be working with both the yarns alternately. Now work 1 chain and turn your work, and the sequence of this round is to work 1 double crochet into each of the stitches. So going to the chain 1 space, work 1 double crochet. On top of the single crochet, work 1 double crochet. So just continue with this sequence till the end of the round. So after working the 8th row, which is the row of double crochets, I have slip stitched on top of the first double crochet worked, and while slip stitching I have changed colors. From here on, it's a repeat sequence. We'll be repeating row 7 and row 8 for 3 more times. That is, in total we'll be working till row 14, and the 14th row would be row of double crochets. And the 2 important things that you should remember while working these rows are: the first one is, while working each of the rows, we'll be working 1 chain and turning our work. And the second important thing is that while working with the single crochet rows, we'll be working on the inner part of our beanie. So just work these 2 rows alternately till you reach row 14. So once I'm done with my 14th row, I shall get back. Now, as I mentioned earlier, I have worked in total 14 rows. That is from the top till here. There are in total 14 rows. Now we'll be working the 15th row, and 15th row is again a row of double crochets. So work one chain and going through each of the stitches, work one double crochet. So in total we'll be working 60 double crochets. So just continue with this sequence till the end of the round. Now I've done the 15th row using double crochets, and after doing the 15th row I've cut my yarn. Now since we are doing the single crochets round while working on the inner part of the beanie, so we are getting this beautiful stitch pattern on the outer part. Now we are left with the last step of working front post and back post double crochet stitches. For that I will be joining this orange colored yarn. Work one chain and going to the first stitch, work one front post double crochet. Moving to the next stitch, work one back post double crochet. Again into the next, work one front post double crochet. So this is the sequence of this round, working a front post and back post double crochets alternately. So just continue with the sequence till the end of the round. So I've done the first row of front post and back post double crochet stitches. Now in total we'll be working 4 rows of front post and back post stitches. One row is already done. Now for working the second row, work one chain and on top of the first front post double crochet, work one front post, and moving to the next back post double crochet stitch, work one back post. So on top of the front post we'll be working a front post, and top of the back post we'll be working a back post. So just continue with the sequence for this row as well as for the next 2 rows. So here I worked the 4 rows of front post and back post double crochet stitches. So that completes our beanie. Moreover, I have also worked a small flower and sewed it on the top of the beanie to make it more beautiful. In our channel, there is a list of different flower patterns. The link of the same I shall give above. So you just go through it, work the flower of your choice and then sew it on top of the beanie as I've done over here. So that's all for today's tutorial. I hope you found this tutorial really very useful as well as interesting too. In case of queries, please let me know through comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.